Welcome to my channel once again. Today we'll be looking at linear equation. Linear equation. So and the problem we'll be solving under that is 12 into bracket x plus 2, which is equals to 2 into bracket x minus 1. So definitely we are finding the value of x. We are finding the value of x. Here we open the bracket. 12 multiplied by x, we have 12x. 12 multiplied by 2, we have 24, equals 2 multiplied by x, we have 2x. 2 multiplied by minus 1, we have minus 2. So we collect the like terms. We collect the like terms. So here we have 12x. We bring this 2x here to give us minus 2x equals minus 2. Take this 24 down here to give us minus 24. So 12x minus 2x, we have 10x equals minus 26. So to get the value of x, we divide both sides by 10. We divide both sides by 10. So the value of our x will now be equals to minus 13 over 5. Minus 13 over 5. Let's see another problem under this same linear equation. Let's see 15 into brackets 2x minus 6, which is equals to 10 into brackets 4x minus 5. Let's open the bracket. We have 30x minus 15 times 6. So 15 multiplied by 6, we have minus 90 equals 10 multiplied by 4, we have 40x. Then 10 multiplied by 5, we have minus 50. So here we collect the like terms, which is 30x. 40 will come here to give us minus 40x equals minus 50x. Then this will go to give us plus 90. So here we have minus 10x equals to minus 50 plus 90, we have 40. We have 40, then we divide both sides by minus 10. So we are left with x equals minus 4. X equals minus 4. So when we input the value of x equals minus 4 into the equation, let's input the value of x equals minus 4. So you see 30 minus 4 minus 90 equals 40 minus 4 minus 50. Let's see how it goes. 30 multiplied by minus 4 to give us minus 120 minus 90 equals minus 160 minus 50. So we have this one will give us minus 210 equals to minus 210. So the value of x equals minus 4 is the correct answer for this. Thank you for watching my video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button also. Thank you for watching.